In a related story, National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang has signaled that arrests are coming for at least 2 people responsible for some of the most recent shipment of illegal guns into the island. The country has been plagued by gun violence, but Dr. Chang says they're making progress through investigations. Kirk Wright reports.
The entire intelligence apparatus of the security forces focus on the gangs and getting the guns.
National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang speaking with journalists following a tour of the 2 communities in St. James that were devastated by gun violence over the weekend. It's reported that between Friday and Sunday, 25 persons were killed across the island. The homicides include 2 triple murders in separate incidents in St. James and a triple murder in Almond Town in Kingston. The security forces have since increased their presence, but many Jamaicans are questioning the border issue, the flow of illegal guns used in these killings. National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang says the country can be assured that law enforcers are maintaining vigilance. He turned his attention to the 5 most recent gun finds in the country, including at the Freeport Wharf in St. James. 19 guns and hundreds of assorted rounds were seized.
The leader of the first shipment, Mr. Rooms, is in prison. The leader of the second shipment is on trial at this we speak. He is a known leader of one of the big gangs in this region. It's one of the leaders of one of the other incident will be closing on him very fast. Intel is there, evidence is gathered, and he'll soon be apprehended. And the other 2 are, including the one of the 11th of January, is under intense investigation.
That may bring little comfort to residents in some communities that have been plagued by gang violence. That's because it seems, despite the efforts by the police, the gangsters have no shortage of firepower.
We are maintaining a level of intel operation that is providing information. We are disrupting the flow of guns, but it is coming in large quantities. In addition to that, the anti-gang activity is at its peak as a priority, and we'll have 5 serious investigations ongoing in addition to those who are already in jail. And we'll be closing in at least on 2 of them very quickly.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.